What's going on, guys? How's everybody out there doing? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time on Winning Wednesday, smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, I had to come back. I want to show you guys a awesome feature. I just tested it. It absolutely works. But before we get into that, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on with some how to earn online affiliate programs, go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, right? But before we get into it, FTC disclaimer, average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings, make sure you go to income.thehba.net because we cannot guarantee any income and any results. All right. Now, I want to show you this awesome feature tool, AI tool, if you will, that was just added in here, the Home Business Academy. If you don't know, okay, check it out. They've been around since 2016, but they added this feature in the premium. You have to be a premium member to get it, right? Right here under premium tools, you click here, you click premium and premium tools. You see I'm all in, so I have access to all the tools, everything they can offer. I got it, right? So under premium tools, they've added what they call Smart Post. All right, cross-platform video distribution. So let's click it. So I thought I'd go in here and play around with it and just test it. It's called a Smart Post, where you can upload a short, okay, one short video and publish it to multiple platforms at the same time. That's right, right? So how does it work? Distribute your short form video across multiple platforms. All right, that's pretty cool, right? So what I did is exactly what it says here. So I wanted to upload a video. It's an AI video I created just playing around with a tool that I have access to. And say, hey, let me just play around with it. It's a short video. And I said, let's see if this really works. Not that I doubt, but I want to try it, right? So I went here and I simply just uploaded it, right, the video, and then I went to the platforms that I was going to do, and they're going to show you the history here. And this is great because you get to see how it works, right? So I decided to post it to YouTube and Twitter, which I hadn't used in a while. So it's telling me here that Twitter rate limit reached. Free accounts are limited to 500 posts per month. Please try again later or upright. So I couldn't get it to work there. Probably my Twitter account. That's fine. But the point of the matter is I uploaded it, hit the button, boom, and the post went. And it says right here, see, published 34 minutes ago. So it absolutely works. Absolutely works. Like I said, I haven't used the Twitter in a while, so not sure what's happening with my Twitter, but you see it worked because it shows you my history. This is the first one that I've done, and I connected it to, see right here it says it, YouTube or Twitter. Okay, so we did do it and it does work. So if you're interested in getting this tool, you definitely want to come here. Now I'm going to show you how you can get access to that premium. How you can get access to premium and just paying $10 today. Because premium comes with all the goods. Okay? It's the Traffic and Conversions Academy product. There's 4 products here. Premium is one of the 4. This is the training that will teach you how to get traffic, how to get leads, how to convert those leads to sales, right? They give you all this training. They show you how to do free traffic, how to do paid traffic. Look to the left here. There's live coaching for this academy, by the way. I'm going to show you that over here in a second, but I just want to go down the line. Monday Night Marketing Mastermind, 8 o'clock, weekly training. The Traffic and Conversions Mastermind, 11 o'clock a.m. That's Monday through Thursday. Not to mention you get this value bonus training here. Okay, all that is here at your disposal. All right, but this is the key to everything. Marketing. Marketing, marketing, marketing. You can join a program every day of the week, literally, if you wanted to. But now you have to know how to market it. Correct? Yes. So that's what this is. Now over here, I'm going to click on live coaching just so you can see the premium. Okay, what the premium is going to bring. That as I just explained, that's the weekly training right here. Plus you get access to all the replays. Okay, right here. See, here's the Monday through Thursday Traffic and Conversions daily. All right, this is the only platform that I know, program, that has training 6 days a week, guys, and that the owners are present. Okay, this is not one of those where you just go in your dashboard and go through the training, the modules in there, and then you're like, okay, now what? Now who can I talk to other than your sponsor, right? You get support with the community, the owners of the company, and you get this mastermind training 6 days a week. So the premium is the cream of the crop. It's $125 a month, okay, because this is a residual platform over here. Other than this financial literacy, this program here, the financial literacy, is a one-time payment. But these three, Let's Go, Funnel Builder Academy, and Premium, are all residual. Okay, you're going to pay $10 a month for Let's Go. You earn $8 for every referral. Funnel Builder, you need your marketing system. You need your autoresponder, your emails. It's $25 a month. You earn $20 for everybody you refer to that one, and the premium is $125 a month. You earn $100 for everybody you refer. So if somebody goes all in like I did, right, that's $128 a month per customer. And then if they get this financial literacy, you'll earn a one-time commission. You can earn anywhere from $400 to $800 for this one. Okay, because if they get it at retail, it's $1,000. You earn $800 commissions. If they get it at the 50% off like I did, you earn $400. But the three here, the first three, is residual. But this premium, let me show you how you can get it for 2 weeks free. You can literally go in here and purchase Let's Go, the personal development app, right, which is right here. You can pay $10 today. Only $10 to get this app. This app is great. Okay, it's going to help you with your daily routine, help motivate you, and keep you on task, and organize your day. Okay, so you can keep track of everything you're supposed to be doing, from exercise to your morning readings to your affirmations, all of that. Okay, so when you share it, you get 80% commissions on all the products. So you would earn $8 on that. Just $10 today. So I'm saying the 10 because guess what? For $10, once you get ready to check out, let me show you. You're going to see my picture here. Make sure you're on my page. Once you click, okay, I want to get started. Click that button, right? You go here. You click Get Started. And it takes you over here. You check out. You see all this. You put your credit card in. You come down. And you see these options. It's saying, well, hey, well, why are you here ready to check out? Do you want that funnel builder so you can build your pages? That's $25 a month and you earn $20. Or do you also want that premium, which I just mentioned right here, and it says you can get it free for 2 weeks. Try it out. It's free. Get coaching, training, AI copywriting tools. I didn't go over that. We'll go back over that. And you're able to earn $100 commissions. If somebody, even with you being on a trial, if you start sharing this out and someone goes to your link and decide, you know what, I want this premium, and they actually will be on a trial too, but you'll earn $100 if they keep it, right? So 2 weeks from now, you can keep it for 2 weeks. If you decide you don't want it, just cancel it, guys. But it's going to give you access. Let me back up because I didn't go over this. It's going to give you access to all three of these tools. There's the Prompt Write AI, which is similar to ChatGPT but better because you can save all your prompts. The image generator, which I've been using to, as you can see right here, to make my YouTube images, okay, my thumbnails, okay, so I've definitely been using it. So you get access to that. And then the smart post, which is what I just showed you, that absolutely does work. So you can post to all those platforms: YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, with one post, which is what I just showed you, right? And then all this training over here that you're going to get. Because if you're new out here online, or if you're just struggling and say, well, you know what, I need some time, I need training. I just need to buckle down and I need to get some training. I have you may have another product that you're really passionate about, another program you say, but I can't figure out to get it off the ground. Well, you should come over here and join HBA and get this premium training. Just for $10 today, get less gold, and you can get access to all that I just went over. All right, so that's a great way to get it and try it out for yourself. All right, but I wanted to show you guys that tool absolutely does work. The smart posts, where you can post to all these platforms. Okay, so that's included. So if you do the trial, you get access to this immediately. That's the other thing. You're going to get access instantly, guys. Once you check out, you're going to get your email saying log in, and make sure you just come here and log in. All right, so that's it. That's all. That's what I've got for you today. Go check this out. Go to the link in the description, and or go to getpaidfromhome.info. For everybody that goes all in, okay, that goes all in like I did, get all 4 products, I got a special bonus for you. I'm looking forward to working with you. All right, so we can do this thing. It's a partnership. This is a partnership because you're joining. You're going to pay your monthly membership. All right, which means we're tied together, and I'm here for you. My information is in the description as always. My phone number. Ever since I came online in 2012, folks have always been able to reach out to me. So I'm definitely accessible. Would love to work with you. I want you to check this out though for yourself. $10 today minimum, and then get the premium so you can test all these tools right here for yourself. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.